tangy,
spicy, or even mild. Time to get served up the up style.
Food safety tip 1. Before handling foods and other items, remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds under warm, soapy water. Or sing the happy birthday song to yourself twice.
Food safety tip number 2. Rinse fruits and veggies under running water to avoid germs getting into the produce while cutting. Today we are making a fruit smoothie! Today we have spinach, bananas, berry mix, vanilla Greek yogurt, apple juice, and honey.
Your other fruits.
First you have to peel and chop the fruits. Then you're gonna have to put your frozen fruits into the blender so that way you get that nice frozen touch.
And then after that, you want to start blending on low and then working up to a bigger speed.
So fill the cup all the way to the top.
And then you want to add a splash of apple juice. Or
2 splashes of apple juice.
2 splashes of apple juice. Any juice should work fine, but we prefer apple juice.
Okay, guys. Okay, there you go. Okay, that shouldn't happen if you're experts, but we're not.
And then you want to shake it a little bit to get all the big pieces at the bottom. Oh my god.
Okay, and you put more apple juice in there?
Yeah, I put my
Okay.
This is not bad. Machine. After you're done with that, you want to serve yourself up. And after you're done with that, you should have a nice consistency, protein-filled smoothie. Yummy! Cheers!
Is this the recording? Yeah, so much for that, Alexis.